What if I told you that building robots could land you a six-figure job, but you'd never touch a robot again? Today, I'm going to blow your mind with 12 high-paying careers that FIRST Robotics students are landing. And I bet you've never thought of half of them. Most people think robotics only lead to engineering jobs, but here's the truth. FIRST Robotics teaches you way more than just technical skills. You learn teamwork, leadership, problem solving, and communication. And guess what? Companies in every industry want these skills. The jobs I'm about to show you pay between $45,000 and $72,000 a year to start. And they're growing fast because our world is becoming more digital every day. First up, let's talk about marketing and media jobs. You might think, what does building a robot have to do with marketing? Well, everything. Digital marketing specialists can make $50,000 to $62,000 a year to start. Think about it. Your robotics team probably has Instagram, TikTok, or YouTube, right? Someone has to post content, track how many people see it, and figure out what posts work best. That's exactly what a digital marketing specialist does for companies. In FIRST Robotics, you're already learning SEO when you make your team website show up in Google searches. You're doing social media strategy when you plan your posts. Companies need people who understand this stuff, and they'll pay you well for it. Content creator or video producer, between $45,000 and $58,000. Does your team make recap videos of competitions? Or maybe you film behind the scene content? Congratulations, you're already a content creator. Companies everywhere need people who can tell stories through videos and make their brands look cool online. The best part? This field is exploding. Every business wants to be on YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram now. They need people who know how to make videos that people actually want to watch. Brand strategist, $55,000 to $68,000 a year. Here's a big one. If your team has a logo, team colors, or a special way you talk to sponsors, you're doing brand strategy. Brand strategists help companies figure out their personality and how to talk to customers. It's like giving a company its own voice and style. This job pays really well because it's super important. A good brand can make a company millions of dollars. Now let's talk money. Literally. Business and finance jobs. Project manager, $58,000 to $70,000 a year to start. Every robotics team has deadlines, right? Build season is only 6 weeks. Someone has to make sure everything gets done on time. That person is basically a project manager already. Project managers work in every industry. Construction, hospitals, tech companies, even movie studios. They make sure projects finish on time and on budget. And guess what? They get paid really well because without them, nothing would ever get done. Financial analyst, $60,000 to $72,000 a year. Does your team track how much money you spend on parts or create budgets for competitions? That's financial analysis. These professionals help companies make smart money decisions. They look at numbers, predict what might happen in the future, and help businesses plan. Every company needs this, which is why it pays so well. Plus, you get to work with spreadsheets all day. And surprisingly, that's actually pretty fun when it's your job. Communication skills are huge in robotics, and they lead to some amazing careers. Public relations specialist, $50,000 to $60,000 a year. Has your team ever written a press release for the local newspaper or contacted news stations about your robot? That's public relations. PR specialists help companies tell their story to the world. When companies have good news or need to handle problems, PR specialists know exactly what to say and who to tell. It's like being the voice of the company. Event coordinator, $45,000 to $55,000 a year. Planning fundraisers, open houses, or demo events for your community? You're already an event coordinator. These professionals plan everything from corporate meetings to huge conferences. Every company has events, product launches, training sessions, holiday parties. Someone has to plan all the details, and companies will pay you well to make sure everything goes perfectly. Community manager. Salary can vary. Running your team's social media and responding to comments, that's community management. These people build relationships between companies and their fans online. They're like the friendly face of the brand on the internet. Let's talk about creative jobs that robotics students are perfect for. Graphic designer or UI designer, $50,000 to $65,000 a year. Made team t-shirts, banners, or a cool logo? You're already doing graphic design. These designers create everything from websites to product packaging. Every single thing that you see that looks good was designed by someone. UI designers specifically work on apps and websites, making them easy and fun to use. With everything going digital, these jobs are everywhere. Copywriter, $48,000 to $60,000 a year. Writing sponsor letters, website content, or team newsletters builds amazing writing skills. Copywriters create the words that sell products and explain ideas. Every ad, website, and email you see was written by a copywriter. Good writers are super valuable because they take complex ideas and make them simple for everyone to understand. Human Resources Coordinator, $52,000 to $64,000 a year. Recruiting new team members and helping everyone work together? That's human resources. HR professionals help companies hire great people and make sure everyone is happy at work. These skills are needed everywhere because every company has employees who need support. Entrepreneur, small business owner, unlimited potential. Here's the big one. FIRST Robotics teaches you everything you need to start your own business. You learn leadership, problem solving, teamwork, and how to manage money. Many successful business owners started exactly like this. The sky's the limit when you own your own business. You could start a marketing agency or event planning company or even a robotics education business. So there you go. 12 amazing careers that FIRST Robotics prepares you for, and most of them have nothing to do with building robots. These jobs pay between $45,000 and $72,000 to start, and they're all growing fast. The best part? You're already learning these skills in robotics. You just might not realize it yet. If this opened your eyes to new possibilities, hit that like button and subscribe for more career advice. And tell me in the comments, which of these jobs surprised you the most? Remember, robotics isn't just about robots. It's building your future. Thanks for watching, and as always, I'll see you in the next one.